Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to do this cute cat together, so let's start it. First, we need to do a magic string, just like this, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over 1 second to do 1 chain. Then we put our hook into the hole, do 6 single crochet. Put a hook in, yarn over, and yarn over goes through the 2 loops. This is our first single crochet, and you can put a mark in, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet. So after the 6 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle in the center and take off our mark. In the mark place, we are going to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, and pull our hook directly. So for second round, we need to do 1 chain first, and then put our hook in. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. For this round, the pattern is our single crochet increase. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So this is our first single crochet. We put our hook in, and then in the same place we put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over goes through 2 loops. So this is a single crochet increase. For of the remaining stitches, we are going to do the single crochet increase. In the same stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet. After the last single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to close this round. Then we do 1 chain to start our next round. For this round, the pattern is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then it's a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So just repeat it. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase to the end. After the last single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For the following 2 rounds, the pattern is all single crochet around. In each stitch, we do 1 single crochet, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then we just repeat doing it 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the end. We need to, after finish this round, we need to do 1 more round, like 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. But remember to do a slip stitch once this round is finished, and do 1 chain to start the next one. So after 2 rounds single crochet, and in the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, do a slip stitch to close this round, and then we do 1 chain to start for our next round. First, we need to do 4 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook, then put a mark. We do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. We need to do 3 more. After the 4 single crochet, we need to do 4 single crochet increase. In the next stitch, we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then do 3 single crochet increase. After the 4 single crochet increase, we need to do a single crochet decrease. We need to combine those 2 stitches into one. We put our hook in the center of this stitch, and then we put our hook in the center of the next stitch. We yarn over, go through those 2 half stitches, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a single crochet decrease. Then we're gonna do 4 single crochet increase. 1 stitch, 2 single crochet. After the 4 single crochet increase is 4 single crochet. 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and then we take off the mark In the mark place, we put our hook in, or pour hook directly to finish this round, and one chain to start. For this round, we do our single crochet around, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. So after the last single crochet in the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch to finish this round. We do 1 chain to start our next round, and first we need to do 4 single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and remember to put a mark. We need to do 3 more single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and then we need to do 4 single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the center of the stitch, and the same center of the next stitch, and yarn over, go through all the loops, and yarn over, go through 2 loops at once. And then we repeat it 3 more times in the center, and another center, yarn over here, go through 2 loops. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I will update weekly. And after the 4 single crochet decrease, we need to do a single crochet. In the stitch, we put our hook in the full stitch this time, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. Then is 4 single crochet decrease again. In the center, 2 stitches, yarn over, go through 2 loops. After the 4 single crochet decrease, we do 4 single crochet, the full stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. And then we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start our next round, and for the next round, first we need to do a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then we need to do a single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the next stitch, only half the stitch in the middle, and then the next one, only half of them. So this round we just repeat 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet decrease, and then the last remaining one should be 2 stitches. So we're gonna do a single crochet decrease for the very last 2 stitches. So now I have 2 stitches left. There should be a single crochet decrease. So we put a hook in the center, and the last one in the center as well. Yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. We take out the mark. In the mark place, put our hook in, yarn over here, and yarn over. After filled, we need to use a needle to close it up. So I usually do like we put our needle in the half of the stitch, and then we skip one, just pull it. We put our needle back to the center, and then to the top. So we will put the eyes on the round 4, and now we're going to make the ears. So on the top, the first round, we put our hook in like this, and we hold this yarn on the back, yarn over here, then we do 3 chain. In the second chain from our hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet, and the next stitch is also a single crochet. And then round 4, we put our hook in again, we do a slip stitch just like this, and then we can do one chain and then snip off. For the other side, it's a little bit different. For the other side, we need to start off putting our hook. In the first round, we need to put our hook. In the fourth round, we put our hook in just like this. In this line up here, and same thing here. Grab this on the back, yarn over here, and then 3 chain. In the second chain from our hook, we do a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. In the first round here, we put our hook in, yarn over, do a slip stitch, and then do 1 chain with snip off. So this is about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time.